Today, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how you can personalize and level up your handbag game to unlock this new look. I've also got some outfit pairings and ideas, so stay tuned for that. You've probably already seen this look on bags like the Lady Dior, Chanel Coco, Hermes Birkin and Kelly. Basically, these are all top handle bags dressed up with a decorative twilly. However, this is a Dior Caro bag with a long crossbody strap. So how did I do it? Well, actually, you can remove the strap, and this tutorial will pretty much work for any bag that has a removable strap. If you'd like to find out more about this favorite bag of mine, I have a very detailed review on it and I'll link it down below. I found the perfect top handle strap to use for wrapping in a twilly. This one is from Leatherology. It was only available in this neutral camel, but because I'll be wrapping a twilly around it, the color doesn't really matter. I like that the ends are fastened with leather rather than metal. This means that the hardware on these D-rings won't get scratched up over time. I think you're meant to use both snaps like so. But I attached the strap this way to make the loop a teeny bit longer. This makes it long enough to sit all the way up on my shoulder in case I needed to free up my hands. I also like to have the snaps on the outside as I find it easier to thread the ends through this way. I've got 3 twillies or scarves to show you. This first one is very neutral and classic. It has a black side and a beige side. I prefer the beige, so I'm going to use this side. Starting at one end, thread this through here, then wrap the twilly around the strap like so. I don't want the border to be visible, so I folded it the other way to hide the border. As you're wrapping, make sure the amount of material is somewhat evenly distributed along the full length of the strap. If your strap is thinner, you'll want to use thinner twillies, otherwise there'll be too much material and bunching. Once you've made it to the other side, thread the end through, but make sure it comes out through the front and not the back. And there you have it. I've tested this a lot and the ends don't come loose easily. This one caught my eye because it has square ends and I thought it looked quite unique. Same technique, thread the end through, then wrap. If you're finding it tricky to get this through, you can just unbuckle the strap and put the end through, then fasten it back up. I like that the strap is a little bit thick. It really shows off the design of the twilly. I've got a square scarf here. You can turn it into a twilly by folding it in half diagonally, then up like this. It's important you fold it this way to neatly tuck away the corners. And now just rinse and repeat. Don't stress if it starts to come undone while you're wrapping. It's still gonna look really nice. None of these wraps are branded or designer. I just don't think it's really worth it to spend so much on small decorative pieces like this when there are so many cheaper alternatives available in more colors and styles than you could imagine. The bag itself with this big blingy logo? Yes, worth it. These decorative pieces? I just don't think so, but each to their own. Okay, it's time for outfit inspiration. First, we'll be styling the bright pink and orange one. Let's call this Tropical Paradise. The prints are very colourful and loud, so I've gone for my favourite neutrals here: white, cream, nude, beige. This is a very classic feminine look. Soft flowy blouse, pencil skirt, cashmere cardigan, pearl necklace, bold red lip, black bag. Keeping to the theme of elegance, I've gone for a pointed toe as it looks more dressy than a round toe. If casual is more your thing, I've got you covered too. This is a classic casual look. Oversized crop sweater, high-waisted denim jeans, white sneakers and a baseball cap. I've also got my favourite Hermes belt on to add a little more luxury. The strap is reversible and black on the other side, which would match the bag, but I've chosen tan because it's a more casual colour and fits with the rest of the outfit better. To bring out the orange in this tropical paradise, I've gone full bright with these linen pants. To style loud pants, I go for simple understated tops to keep the balance. Orange and black look great together, so try this colour combo if you haven't already. I've kept my belt on the tan side because black would make the top portion look longer. This would be the opposite effect of what I want to achieve, which is an elongated bottom section and longer legs. The top is more of a dressier material and the bottoms are more of a casual material, so you can actually dress this up or down as you like. Sneakers and a puffer jacket to keep it casual, or strappy black high heels to dress it up. That's why I love this tropical look. It's both casual and dressy at the same time. Moving on to this rich, vibrant turquoise and gold style. Let's call this one Emerald Jackpot. Nothing says classy like a monochrome. Not only am I all camel, but also all leather. Gold chain necklace to match the hardware on my shirt and bag. Black knee-high boots to match my long black hair. I've got a video on how to style these boots and I'll link it down below. I omitted it about here to create the illusion of this top and skirt looking like a dress. I love wearing dresses, but they're not great investment pieces. Separates like these make better choices and give you versatility to mix and match for more looks. Turquoise and pink are opposite colors, but ironically they look really great together. If you wear color but find yourself sticking to safe palettes, try pairing colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. You'd be surprised at how awesome contrasting colors look together. The silky material of this blouse was also chosen to complement the silky material of the scarf. I've gone for dark neutrals in the rest of my outfit to mute the loud neon pink, and if you find that it's still too much, you can throw on a muted overcoat to tone it down even more. This opulent Emerald Jackpot look contains all the elements that are perfect for evening wear. Deeply rich tones and vibrant gold in a silky lush material. So I'm wearing a silky kimono style mini maxi dress with a high slit. Strappy black heels, leather gloves and a deep red coat to go all out on looks. Notice that the accents on my coat are also gold. I can't stress enough how important it is to match your hardware when taking your outfit to the next level. Just because the bag is super dressy doesn't mean your outfit has to be. In fact, when you go for something more muted like this knit dress, it makes the bag pop even more. Plus, you'll look effortlessly chic. Here's why it works so well. The silhouette has a relaxed but sensual fit because the fabric flows with the body without being too clingy or tight as if it's trying too hard. Grey is a very interesting neutral. It can be warm or cool toned, and along with the marling effect, it becomes an even more captivating colour. As for the length, the longer the classier, but a full length to the floor hemp can be quite impractical and too much. So the midi length and the cute little slit on the side scales the dress back to look effortlessly chic. Pair with nude ballet flats to really keep that emphasis on the body. Moving on to this more dialed back neutral look. Let's call this the classic wrap. This look can really go with anything, but I've stuck to neutral colours because they're so wearable and who doesn't like neutrals? So think of these next outfits as a neutral base. If you want to make it more interesting, simply change up one of the items to an accent piece. You won't go wrong. I love layering neutrals. Because all the pieces on their own are safe and muted, you can easily throw them all together to achieve an instantaneously put together look. Don't forget to throw on some jewelry like I did. I really like batwing style dresses like this one because they're well balanced with a looser top portion and fitted bottom portion. To put together a great outfit, it's all about pairing together these contrasting elements. Except for this dress, you don't have to because it's already been done for you. All you have to do is decide on footwear and accessories. I've gone with thigh-high boots to match the long sleeves, perfect for a winter date night. Casual lovers, I haven't forgotten about you. Fitted crop tank with oversized loose fit track pants. One of my go-to casual looks when I just don't know. Pair with your favorite sneakers and take your bestie. Ready to run some errands? I've got a couple bonus outfits to show you with the original long chain strap that this bag came with. This is just to demonstrate that this bag really does go with everything, dressy or casual, and that's why I love it. So don't worry about it. Get crafty and try out something new. I hope you enjoyed these outfit ideas and bag strap tutorial. Comment below with your favorite look and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. I'd love to know. See you next time.